Welcome back, fellas. Here, a smart digital multimeter from Kaiweets. It can measure voltage, resistance, capacitance, current, and much more. It looks legit from these blueprints on the box. Let's see how good it is. Oh boy, I love when tools come in on hard cases. Manual? That's for later. And here it is. Super fancy case. Let me open it. Use coupon code TakeApart for 15% discount at Kaiweets website. Oh yeah, rugged multimeter with large screen. It is built like a tank. Let's see what else we got here. Multimeter leads. These are standard leads with high voltage protection sleeves. Next we have USB to barrel cable for charging. And lastly, temperature sensor, to measure temperatures. Pretty standard and useful stuff. Manual is quite thick and in multiple languages. But multimeter is intuitive, so if you have a few brain cells left, you should be okay without it. Alright, let's look at the multimeter. Here is a screen protector protecting large display and surrounding glass-like surface. Hell yeah, I'm leaving it on. I'll just cut off that pull tab, like so. Please subscribe and hit the like button. On the front, large display, 6 buttons and 4 leads inputs. Buttons have nice feel to them and they are tactile clicky. Also, leads inputs have a light guidance. On the top is power button and charging port. It is 5 volt in via provided barrel connector. It plugs nice and deep. Yeah, let's move on. On the back is SMD LED light, kind of a built-in torch, and also there is a kickstand. And that's it, no more bells and whistles around. This thing is built to last. Product links are in description below. Let me hit that power button. Holy crap, massive display. Unit is in auto mode by default and it indicates where lead needs to go. You can also list through functions manually, just like on old school multimeter, measuring voltage, resistance, continuity, diodes, capacitance, millivolts, frequency, temperature, NCV detection, milliamps and amps. Auto mode requires leads in COM and input ports, so let me shovel them in. They are nicely protected with these caps. I will lose those in no time for sure. COM is black, but no discrimination here. I will remove high voltage sleeves and measure my battery voltage. It is 2-cell battery, so it should have over 7.2 volts. Multimeters show 7924 volts. Auto mode is cool. Let's check this 18650 cell. It has 3.79 volts. Swap polarity for sake of this test. 3770 volts. Okay. Next I'll try continuity. Yep, it works. And I'll test temperature sensor as well. Let me shovel it in and pinch sensor with my fingers like so. It reacts accordingly. Great. Lastly, I will check value of this resistor. I know they are color coded, but I can't be bothered. So auto mode and I'll hook up the resistor. Boom. 10 kilo ohms. Someone can double check that in comments. Alright, this smart multimeter will stay in auto mode 90% of the time. It will be used from now on this channel. There is coupon code TakeApart for 15% off on Kaiweets website and also bunch of product links in description below. Kaiweets has cool products such as electronic screwdriver set and USB smart soldering iron that you will see in use on this channel. Product links are in description below. So get yourself smart multimeter and save 15% with coupon code TakeApart. Thanks for watching and see you next time.